Hi friends, let's study UCP 600 Article 24 Part 2 Road, Rail or Inland Waterway Transport Document. Please read this video or watch this video in tandem with the Part 1. Let's start. A road transport document must appear to be original for consignor or shipper or bear no marking indicating for whom the document has been prepared. It means it should be for the shipper. Shipper means exporter or consignor. He is also exporter. Or bear no marking. But if it is for the transporter, then that document is not allowed. Many times we get the documents which are for transporter. So those are not allowed at all. Those should be for consignor, shipper, exporter, means basically beneficiary, or bear no marking. Then next, a rail transport document marked duplicate will be accepted as original. Remember, this applies only for railway transport document and not for any other document like road, rail, inland waterways, etc. Only railways duplicate word is allowed. Last part of B sub-article, a rail or inland waterway transport document will be accepted as original whether marked as an original or not. It means even if it is not marked as original word, then also it can be accepted as original. This is for rail or inland waterway only, not for any other transport document. Next, in absence of any indication on the transport document as to the number of originals issued, the number presented will be deemed to constitute a full set. It means if it is not written on the transport document as to how many originals have been issued, the number of originals which the bene presents will be taken to the grantor that these are the only originals issued. Then D sub-article, for the purpose of this article, transshipment means unloading from one means of conveyance and reloading to another means of conveyance. Important part now, within the same mode of transport, means if it is by truck, then by truck, if it is by rail, then by rail, if it is by inland waterway, then inland waterway. During the carriage from place of shipment, dispatch or carriage to the place of destination stated in the credit. This is similar to other transport documents, means it can be shipped from transport from one mode of from one vehicle to another vehicle in the same mode, as it was in the BL from one ship to another ship, as it was in the air from one airship to another airship. Similarly over here, but important part is same mode of transport. Only in multimodal transport document it can be different modes. Now this sub-article E is same as that of the other sub-articles of similar nature in other articles. A road, rail or inland waterway transport document may indicate that the goods will or may be transshipped provided that the entire carriage is carried by one and the same transport document. It means if it is covered, if it is done on the same transport document, then it is allowed even if it is transshipped. And remember, this sub-article follows when transshipment is not allowed. Remember this part. Second part, a road, rail or inland waterway transport document indicating that transshipment will or may take place is acceptable even if the credit prohibits transshipment. It means last sub-article E 1 and 2 are to be considered only if transshipment is prohibited and a single document is presented, then it is allowed. And regarding the second part, means will or may take place is acceptable. So that was it regarding part 2 of article 24 UCP 600. You can download this UAVR app from Play Store to get its videos, question banks, etc. Also you can get physical copy of these question banks from this website uavr.com. It has explanations too. You can get the DVD of all these videos from uavr.com. You can follow us on Facebook on these three links. Thanks. Keep reading.